Hello everybody. Hope you're enjoying your Labor Day weekend. This is Best Spy Live Trading. Before we look at the market recap and look at the market outlook for the first week of September, we will look at a quick. So last week there was a little bit of a pullback at 6,500 SPX, 649.49-ish on SPY into Friday of the last day of August, which set up. We went to 643.26 and bounced. The stock futures for the week are flat, and we have news that President Trump's tariffs are ruled mostly illegal. It is very important to mark the previous day 9:30 open at 6:48 and the previous day 4 p.m. close at 6:45. And the last week's price action means that we have a gap down from Thursday close into Friday. We also have a gap below on SPY around 635 and QQQ below, as well as a head and shoulder forming on QQQ. It will be a very volatile week going into the beginning week of September, so it is very important to pay attention to if the bulls will remain strong into the beginning of the month or if there is a bearish trend starting from the end month of August. The volatility index has also spiked last week from the Thursday close, so we will also pay attention into the middle of the week to see what happens with the gap up. I think it will be most paramount this week to stay vigilant and to be on your feet so that you can go with the wind direction and to flow like water and not be biased and switch from one side to another as fast as you can in this volatility filled market. There is a lot of news coming out this week, whether it is data related or White House and news catalysts from the presidential live streams, but we will stay up to date with that into the beginning of September. It is also very important to realize and remember that we are at a previous all-time high on SPY, which is a previous breakout point, which means that the market might bounce here, the market might cycle here before we find a direction. But whatever happens, we will not be biased and we will find the real direction, the trend direction, and the wind direction by finding the pivot points and doing live market analysis on our next live streams. So I will see you next time.